Rocky's looks busy today.
The location right here. I'm
Rocky.
Rocky, I'm Gervier. Good to meet you.
Mustache, bald head, whatever you want me to do.
You think you can work with this? Let me take a deep breath. Okay.
Okay, let's do it. I've been cutting hair pretty much all my life. It's like God's gift. I knew I wanted to cut hair. I pulled this comb out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I get up early, watch the news, turn on the TV, see what's going on. Sometimes I come in the barbershop and I'm like, man, where the women at? You know? Nah, but man, you want to see a beautiful smile from time to time, and you wake up to her, you're gonna be like, man, you look forward to seeing her at 4:30 in the morning.
Well, you look fabulous, Rocky.
Well, thank you very much. Nice and clean. You know I got to keep up with you, Kavir.
Oh, please. We'll both come see Rocky. How about that?
That's right.
I like sports, news, weather, traffic, whatever's going on in Atlanta, I want to be informed with it. So I don't know about you, but that's why I depend on Good Day.